Okay, just like that. It's gotta go outward. Okay, let's try. Oh, yep, just like that. Okay. Okay, now you can get out.
No.
Okay.
I still have lots of space.
And your back touches the wall. Okay. Get out. Yeah. Come on out. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now let's move this piece.
This one. Allison, don't drag it. Wait for me to get there.
Okay.
This is as close as it
That,
can go.
okay, and then let's just slide this one. We're gonna pick it up, but we're gonna like slide this one right back to where it was. Okay. No, let's go at the other. You should be at the other end because okay. Let's go. Okay.
I'll go right here.
No. We gotta. Okay. Out.
Wait, you have to move on these two pieces so then we can move that.
You just gotta move that closer to the wall, but I can't get one closer. So let's just try sliding it down. Yeah, it's a little tight. Okay, that's how tight.
I'd say it's a perfect fit.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Okay.